Hello everyone, welcome back. Draw 8 like this on a sheet to make the eyes of the dragonfly. Make its body like this, make its back sting, make its wings on the sides, color it as per your choice and it will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw the lines like this or a 8 on the sheet. Now draw the face of the frog, draw its eyes, mouth. Now draw its legs by writing letter 2. Now we will draw the legs like this. Make the legs on the sides, color it using green color and it's ready. Next, draw a circle on the sheet or write a 8 like this. Now draw the lines on the back and then make the eyes of the caterpillar, draw its mouth. Now color it as per your choice and it's ready. Next, draw a line like this, making a cross. Now draw the eyes of the fly, make its wings, complete its body. Now draw the patterns on the wings like this on the sides, color it using different colors of your choice and your fly is ready. Next, write a letter A and then draw the lines around it like this by making a semicircle. Draw the face of the ladybird, draw its eyes, make the patterns on its wings on the sides and then color it using red and black color and your ladybird is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll make two cute birds sitting on a branch. Now make the heart shape like this, make their tail and the beak like this, make its eyes, wings, color it and make a branch in the between and color it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a mosquito. For that, we will make its eyes like this, make its mouth, now make its body and make a sting on the back like this, make its wings and then draw its legs. Color it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, draw the heart shape like this and then complete the face of the bird. Make the tail and the beak of it like this. Draw its legs, make a branch, color it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make two heart shapes like this. So here we'll be making two swans sitting together like this. Make their beak. Now draw their wings, draw the water, color it as per your choice and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to make the crown on the top of their head. Next, draw 8 like this. Now, draw the face of the fish, make the eyes, draw the fins like this, make its tail, color it and it's ready. Next, we will make a penguin, complete its body like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.